Here's how to sign up to E-ZPass online. The first thing that you're going to do is go to www.ezpassnj.com, and afterwards you will see there the sign up for E-ZPass options. Now click here for the sign up options, and now the next thing that you are going to do is to click on the tickle box to agree to the E-ZPass New Jersey individual terms and conditions. So you have to check out the tickle box as well as to the open business account. Now, after checking on the agrees to terms and conditions, you will see that the download and print application will light up. So what you need to do next is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the form that you can print out. And then on the printout, you will see there the forms that you need to fill up so that you can sign up with the E-ZPass. And then afterwards, you will see there the terms and conditions as well, and the tips on how are you going to pass the application on the E-ZPass. So that's basically it. So what you need to do is to go ahead and download it to the device that you are currently using.